Hey folks, it's Chad here with Airstream in Greensboro, and today we're going to walk around the 2025 Airstream Interstate 19X Touring Coach. Now this is a unique floor plan for Airstream, but it's not a limited edition. There is the limited edition. We made a video about that one and we can link that for you. This is one that you can just get. You can order it, you can show up on a lot, see it in person. It is going to have a rhino cover below because this is an off-road themed touring coach. We also have all-terrain tires. Now it does have the natural lift on it because this only comes in the all-wheel drive option from Mercedes-Benz. You have this nice door that opens. We do have, which I really like, the sliding bug screens that go across. That's where you're going to fill in your fresh water if you want to take fresh water with you. And then coming around to the back, these doors are going to open, and this is going to show you kind of the first look to the inside. And the way I like to think about the 19X, this is essentially the Base Camp 20 and a touring coach floor mat, right? So we've got nice cushions. It's actually got the slats here, and this is going to pull across to allow you to make into a really nice bed right there. So a huge bed, similar to what you see in the Base Camp. We've got storage right there. You got 12-volt socket. Yeah, people still use those. Apparently. We do have 110 power out here, and there are docking lights. So you can open the lights, and then that's going to be like an outside shower connection there, which will give you a wand. I do like the L-tracks in the floor, so you can mount things down. There's also going to be L-tracks up above, both in the ceiling and on the sides, and we'll show that more as we get inside the coach. Of course, we have the pocket storage that comes from the Airstream. I mean, it comes from Mercedes, and it does have a hitch, so you can tow small things. Now this will have that smart plug that pretty much Airstream puts on everything. You've got your city fill right there. This is going to be a macerator pump system, and that in there is going to be your controls for that. And then down here is going to be that hose that comes out. That's going to be a lot smaller than your traditional 4-inch hose that we see on the travel trailers. Now for 2025, we're having a new Truma system for your water and your heat. And then this will be another outside hot and cold water for outside shower. Now it is a Mercedes, so we've got the cool hidden diesel fill, and with it being this setup, you can actually close this door, put your diesel in so you don't let those fumes get inside, close that cap back off, and then open it, shut that, and then that's going to actually be locked behind that door when you lock it. You also have these cool running boards that come as part of the X package when you get the 19X. And then this is on the new Mercedes chassis. This is an all-wheel drive platform now. It's also a 4-cylinder twin turbocharged engine with a 9-speed transmission attached to it. Should get better fuel economy, we get more torque, and we get slightly more horsepower than the outgoing V6 that they had in the past. We also have the super cool front addition to the bumper. This is going to be steel. There's also a really cool laser etched Airstream logo right there. That's sick. And then they did integrate their parking sensors, so you still have your parking sensors with the 19X.
There's a plant there.
There's a plant. Now one of the things I do like, the refrigerator is right there. You can open this, and it opens, what would it be, 180 degrees, right? So you can reach in there, get your drinks or your eggs.
Convenient.
Yeah.
Making breakfast
outside. You gotta have the egg holder. And then coming inside to the 19X, one of the things about this floor plan that makes it unique is how open it is. It's super open. You can have a ton of people in here for this size coach. There's also seat belts back here, so you can have people back here and seat belted when you're traveling, if you're off-roading, that kind of stuff. I like the storage above. Flex bed, 70 by 74. Huge bed. But you do have this storage up here that's again in the L-track. If you don't like this storage, it's fine. You can take this out. It's all L-track design, so we can easily pull that out. And then of course we have the L-tracks in the floor. Now, sink is across from the table here, and this being the E-package version is gonna have the induction cooktop that will sit up here on this counter. And of course you can use that outside as well if you want to. We've got some storage. Oh, well, you know, storage.
A little bit.
A little bit of storage. We've got a coax input right there, so you can add a TV. These 4 little dots here, if you're wondering what these are, this is for a TV mount. You can pop these off, and then there's a place for TVs to go. And then on the other side, we have our microwave.
Convection.
Is it convection?
Oh, no, it's not. Never
It's
mind.
just microwave, yep. And then we have the cool port window here with your little spice rack storage there. And then the Truma control for the heat and the water heater is right there. Interesting that Airstream's chosen to go to the Truma for 2025 model year. Now, the controls for the Firefly system are going to be right here. So you got all your controls for Firefly and the system is not on. And then this is going to be for the Volta battery power system. Now, this has the E1 package. That is an option, and it's a pretty hefty price tag, like $20,000 to add that option, but it's going to give you a 12,000 watt hour battery pack, a 3200 watt inverter, which will allow you to run everything, including your Coleman AC system, off of that inverter. There's also dual 30 amp DC to DC charge controllers off a second alternator that's on the engine. So when you're traveling down the road, you can pump in about 60 amps of charge into that battery pack that's probably below, like right here, mounted where the generator would normally be mounted. And then over here is going to be the inverter and the rest of the Volta system. What's in here? Oh, look, there's the induction cooktop.
Oh, cool.
You almost cook with it right there and not even take it out.
That's a nice spot for it.
Yep, except for it rubs right there.
Yeah.
All the L-track behind the
wow,
cushions there. So very much the base camp cushions here for the 19X, and then we'll swing around. Actually, I need to show the bathroom. Yeah, switch spots. I feel like that should be storage right there.
There's got to be something back there because Airstream usually doesn't waste space, and that's the fridge.
Yep. So wet bath, of course, and I'll sit in. You know, wet bath is a wet bath. You can get everything done. Take out all the 4 S's all in one spot. And then, of course, you have your shower head that can be there. And then it can also be, you can wash your hands here, right there. You get hot, cold water. The drain is right there. We got an integrated drain there. And then, of course, you got plenty of room for the toilet. That is going to be a plastic toilet on the 19X. Got to save weight where you can. Little towel rack right there. Does have the Max Air fan above, right here, which is nice. And then we have another bigger fan right in the middle. So you can actually turn both of those on and really get all of the steam out if you're taking a shower. Now my question is, if you're out in the land, like, you're really gonna take a shower? I don't think so. Okay, now, oh, head, ouch. Okay.
There's storage up there, as you can see. Airstream goodie box.
Oh, that's added. Airstream added that.
Oh,
But
yeah.
no radio here, which is, we usually see a radio there, and I think that's because there's a JBL speaker that would mount back there that's not currently mounted. Now, with this being an Airstream Mercedes, what that's going to tell you is when Airstream ordered this Mercedes from Mercedes-Benz, they check every box. So every option is checked. If it's an option you can get, you get it with an Airstream. So you'll have everything included: heated seats, climate control, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and the Hey Mercedes function. You're also going to get a little bit better fuel economy with this new 4-cylinder that you're getting with the new Interstate 19. Now, this is the Airstream 2025 Airstream Interstate 19X. If you're in the market for a 19X, be sure to give me a call at Airstream in Greensboro. Again, my name is Chad. All of my contact information is down in the description. Hope you guys are having a great day. Live Riveted, and we'll talk soon. Thanks. Bye.